All right, let's bring him to the staging area, guys. We're going to go ahead and call Dominic Garza first. Brandon Moody will call you second. Ronnie Rose will call you third. Lex Tyler will call you fourth. John Cadillo will be called fifth. Ed Whitecotton will be called sixth. Jose Ix, seventh. Angel Ferdinand will start eighth. And Anthony Bruno, I will call you ninth. Court marshals, please pay attention. Good luck, drivers. Good for your day. Dominic, Brandon, Ronnie, Lex, John, Edward, Jose, Angel, and Anthony. All cars go.
How much of this fight do you have there?
Looks like Lex off the driver's stand early. It's Dominic Garza, Angel Ferdinand, and Jose Ix are early top three.
I saw that. There was another car out there.
Garza, Whitecotton, and Moody. So Ed starting to move up in the ranks here off the end of the straight. That's one to watch over there on the right-hand side, back into the center of the course. Edward across the start finish line, taking over the top spot, 13.8.
I've got better snowboarder than I'm skateboarder.
Dominic Garza in the 2 spot, Angel Ferdinand in third, Bruno and Moody to round out the top 5. Final group of 21.5 stock out there on the course. And the time to beat the 22 and a 5:04. Right now we got Whitecotton on a 22 and a 5:12. So James Joyner laying down a heater in that last one. Now Edward improving to a 5:10 pace. So Whitecotton currently looks like about 5.2 seconds off of the TQ time. Garza in second, Ferdinand in third, Bruno and Moody to round out the top 5. John Cadillo in sixth. Ryan Rollins in seventh, followed by Jose Ix. Two minutes down, 3 minutes left to go, guys. Whitecotton 13.5. Garza 14.5, Bruno 14.1. Whitecotton 13.6. Garza 14.5, Bruno 14 flat. Vernon and Moody to round out the top 5. Whitecotton on a 22 and 5:06.4. So just 2.4 seconds shy of the TQ run. Now Whitecotton down off the end of the straightaway. White and blue coming up off that bottom of the orange and white. Whitecotton with clean air out in front of him across the start finish line. 13.7 back up to 14.2 in traffic.
Yeah, get your shit out of the way, man.
Bruno in the 2 spot.
Get your shit out of the way.
4, and then we got Garza in the 3rd. Followed by Angel and Brandon Moody to round out the top 5.
I know what car to avoid. Whoa.
Moody rounding out that top 5, 14.9. The last top 5, that'll be the pink one over on the right-hand side. Brandon coming all the way from Washington to join us.
You guys were looking at the last time.
1 minute and 20 seconds left to go, guys. 1:20 left.
Yeah, I was like, that's not how this works.
Ferdinand, fourth, Moody in fifth, followed by Cadillo, Rhodes, Ix, and LT off the course on lap number 1.
No, I think he had a transponder to the board in his court.
Whitecotton out in front by 7.2 seconds over Bruno, 22 and a 5:08.9 the pace. So Whitecotton still about 4 seconds, 4.1 seconds off of the TQ time set by James Joyner in the last group.
We know, man. We know.
Maybe they'll crash if I say nothing. Let's try that.
Well, now I'm like, okay, baby steps back. I think the one who puffs out the most is that.
Porsche Cup coming up next, guys. Let's get those Porsches ready. Fire up those T202s, guys.
Yeah, these guys do great paint jobs.
10 seconds left to go.
You did that pink job?
I did it.
Edward on the straightaway. Out in front by 10 points.
I cut them myself.
Bruno. The battle is for second. Anthony and Dominic separated by 8 tenths. Moving in fourth, Angel Fern round out the top 5.
Norv's a
Go,
pro.
guys.
Sorry.
Yeah.
Norv's a pro. Norv's pretty good too. Norv's better.
Only one is done, guys. Keep going, keep going, keep going.
Which one are you here? Oh, that's a
The
pretty
ugly
good
one.
color.
The ugly one. The
The
bomb color.
hop of the race is going to come from the back of the pack. That's a race everybody is done. Boot shot lava.
Blended too much.
Let's get it back out there and throw it down in 12-8. We are done. Too bad this isn't NASCAR. All right, White Cotton taking the win. 22 and a 508. James Joyner going to remain our top qualifier. Anthony Bruno, you got second, 21 and 506. Cars at third, 21 and 507. Moody fourth. Vernon fifth. Cadillo sixth. Road sixth.